We got us a 17-inch flounder and I hooked him in the mouth. There he is, y'all. That's where we hooked him in, all off in that mouth. Let me go ahead and let him go. Y'all know what time it is. Hook him in the mouth. Welcome in the mouth. What's going on, y'all? This is your boy Charles and we are back for another saltwater episode. You know, it's the regular old thing. I'm back out here at my little salt flats and we're gonna see what we could do today. It's about high tide. The forecast thing was off again, so it's like the high tide is coming in a little bit earlier than it's normally should, so it's all good. It's about 7 in the morning right now, and hopefully we get on some fish. So we're looking for a redfish, flounder, or trout, and we are running the jig with a curly tail. Also we got the DOA shrimp, and I might, depending on if things are slow, I might switch up to a hard bait, run them over the top of my floating hard bait, and run them over the top of these shells and see if we get anything from that. But until your boy gets hooked up, let's go, let's get it, and let's make it happen. You know what I do when I get out here. I don't snag them, I hook them in the mouth. So holla at your boy. And if you guys are new to the channel, check this video out. I hope you make it to the end. If you like it, hit like, share it if you can, leave a comment, say what's up, let me know that you're new, and holla at your boy. And let me get on these fish for us, see when I get hooked up. Hook them in the mouth. We hooked up. Oh, it's fighting, it's fighting, it's fighting. What is it? Oh, it looks like a nice sized flounder, guys. Oh shoot, don't get away, don't get away, don't get away, don't get away. He's a nice one too. He is a nice sized one. Just gotta get him over here. I don't want to scare him off. Okay, okay. Oh, he's going crazy. Y'all see what he hit, right? He hit that DOA. He hit that DOA shrimp. There we go. He's definitely a keeper, y'all. Let me get away from that spot before we get jammed up. Oh yeah, we got that ass. We can make this fast or slow, however you want. But there he is, y'all. There he is. We got us a nice size flounder there, don't we? Yeah, baby. Let's get that measurement on that ass real quick. We got us a 17-inch flounder and I hooked him in the mouth. There he is, y'all. That's where we hooked him in, all off in that mouth. Let me go ahead and let him go. Get on out of here. There he goes. He sunk on down to the bottom. You know I'm gonna find something on the island. Until the next hookup, holla at your boy. Hook 'em in the mouth. We hooked up. You motherfucker. I'm sick of YouTube. That's 3 fish I did that YouTube shit. My shit up. Hook 'em in the mouth. We hooked up. Uh-oh. This mug's starting to fight hard. Oh, it's another nice flounder. Oh. Get your ass over here, boy. You know who got you. I hooked the shit out you. Oh, he just got off. All right, y'all. Y'all seen him, though. I would have caught that ass, too, if I'd had a net. But I don't like messing with a net. Too much shit on my boat. Holla at your boy. And I ain't keeping shit anyways. The flounders are stacked over here. Hook 'em in the mouth. We hooked up again. I think it might be a flounder. No, we got a nice trout. Second part of our slam. If I could land this joker. If I could land the joker. Oh, stop. We need our second part. We need our second part. Oh yeah, we got our second part, and he's a nice one, boy. He's a nice sea trout. Oh, and we hooked him in that sea trout mouth. Y'all look at that. Oh, that's number 2. That's number 2. That's number 2 part of our slam. Let's see if he would have gone keeper. I know he will. Hold your ass up, boy. You gonna keep her. Yeah, sea trap. Bam. He's right at keeper. He's right at keeper. We got an 18-inch sea trout right here. And we hooked him in the mouth. Let me go ahead and let him go. That's a nice joker too, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, let's get that last part of our slam. We need that redfish, y'all. Let's get that redfish. Let's get the redfish. Holla at your boy. Hook him in the mouth. We hooked up. Oh, it's a shark. It's a shark. And he hit my artificial. Oh, it's a little black tip. It's a baby black tip shark. Look at him. Oh, he hit that. Oh, he broke somebody else off earlier. Yeah, you got a circle hook in your mouth. Let me get that out. Okay, it's a baby black tip shark, y'all. Look, we got a baby black tip shark. He's got the black tips all over him and on the thing. And he's got them little black tips. And somebody, he done broke somebody off, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that up out of him. But this was cool. I'm gonna tell you how I did it. I should have recorded it, but I wasn't thinking that he was gonna bite. I actually sight casted him. So, somebody circle hook. And it gave him a little sore mark. But, he gonna be happy I got him. Get this thing on out of him. That way he could have a free mouth. All right, y'all. There we go, y'all. We got that old shark. And I hooked him in that mouth. There he is. There he is, guys. We got us a nice little black tip, baby black tip shark. He's got all the little black tips all over here, but got a white anal fin. And I got that one hook out, and let's get him back in the water. There he goes. That was a fun little sight cast. I had a nice time catching him. I caught him on that shrimp, man. I seen him circling around my bait bucket. I got some mullet right here, right? I caught some earlier. And he was circling around my bait bucket. I said, let me see if he'll eat this shrimp. I threw that damn thing right there and he smacked it. And I hooked him in the mouth. But it's probably a good thing I hooked him, because now he's got that circle hook up out of him. But until we get hooked up again, holla at ya boy. God, that's him right there. A tailing fish. Hopefully I can get it. Smashing these fucking little shrimp. There he is. Damn it. Is that him over there? Gosh, dang, man. There he is right there. Oh my God. Look, I'm in the mouth, we hooked up. Oh, whatever it is, it's fighting. It's fighting like a catfish, y'all. It's fighting like a catfish, y'all. Oh, I was right. I was right. The old hard head came out to play. The old hard head came out to play. Hook 'em in the mouth, we hooked up. Here's another flounder. What do we got? Oh, yep. This one's a little guy. All right, we hooked us another flounder in the mouth. Oh. I got him perfectly. He gonna be blind a little bit when he get older. But there he is. This is like the third or fourth one of these bad boys today. And we hooked him in his mouth. But there he is, y'all. We gave him the red eye. He was on the red eye flight, but there he is. Nice little flounder. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. There you go, boy. The summertime flounder up in this bad boy, but the summertime redfish is eluding me. So until I get a summertime redfish, holla at your boy. Hook him in the mouth. We hooked up. Come here. Well, it's getting towards the end of the day. Alright guys, that was a sea trout. Hopefully we get this redfish. Oh, they going after it. Let's see. They in here. There we go. Got us a little one. Got us a little sea trout. Y'all seen that, yo? Oh yeah. Oh, we rolling. Oh, we rolling. Y'all seen that little sea trout I done picked up? I hooked him all off in the mouth. I wish it was a redfish. I'm gonna get the slam before I go in this big. They running after them shrimp. Oh, there he goes again. There's another one in there. They're running after the shrimp, y'all. Sea trout, look, they'll pop the shit out of a shrimp. They don't mind you working it fast neither. Well, I guess we'll work it on out until the camera dies. See if we get something. Sit here. Uh-oh. Sit here for just a little bit more seconds. Sea trout be biting, boy. There we go. Told you sea trout be biting. What the hell is that? Oh, that's a little old jack. Little old jack be biting, boy. Little old jack. He's pretty too. Look at him. All yellow. Get your little yellow ass out of here, boy. We catching more fish. They ain't huge. They hitting that little shrimp. Another one. Another little jack crevalle. Another little baby jack. Oh yeah, I got your little ass. I know, I got you, boy. I got you. Talking about some. Catch a big one, they're fun. That little one, he's all right. The tug is the drug, right? The tug is the drug. Perfect! Hook 'em in the mouth! Look at your boy.